Today's question is, what does a day look like at our 21-day health retreat? And today I'm on the very first day of our 21-day health retreat in June 2025. And our goal is to help each individual learn how to build their own health themselves, not reliant on anybody else, and make this lifestyle so sustainable that you never want to go back to your old lifestyle. And health just happens by itself. Let me give you an idea of the whole day. So, in the morning, there are various activities that you can pick and choose from because the activities have to suit you. So there can be yoga, there can be aqua aerobics or nature walks or meditation. I also do consultations in the morning, and then we start the day with green smoothies and fruit, and then we can have a shower, wash, and even there's a cooked breakfast buffet after that. After this, we have a learning session where we're all in the library together and we talk about the things that concern us, as well as there's a talk by myself or Jayashree or different people, so that we cover various topics and we always choose the topics which are important for the group that we have with us. And then we have a lunch, again made in buffet style, all whole food, plant based. And then you can either rest, or there's yoga nidra, or there's an art room where you can do art therapy, and people have come out with beautiful art pieces from there. And then at 4 o'clock every day or 4:30, we have a cooking class where each day you learn different techniques of cooking whole food, plant based, so that by the end you're totally pro at everything. And in the end, instead of the cooking classes, the participants do a cooking session in groups for all the other participants. So they cook a dinner, and we've had amazing dinners turn out from there with different styles of food from different countries, because our participants are from all over the world. And then after the cooking class, we have the swimming or even nature walks or yoga. So you still have a choice. I also do consultations in the afternoon for anyone that needs it. And so do we have counseling consultations for anyone that needs it during the afternoons. And then we have a dinner, and then in the evening we either have movies most of the time, and the movies are topical to what we learnt in the morning, or we have interactive sessions and singing and dancing and all kinds of fun. We also offer a free massage to all our participants, and that's just for relaxation and fun. But if you want more, you can also book them. In the end, we even have a talent night where all the participants participate if they want to with their talents, and that's a beautiful ending to our 21-day retreat.